to do is go out on the flatter part of it. Waves come in sets, and I'm watching to see when they come and how many's in a set. The idea is to go into the water just as the last one goes through and has broken, so I can paddle out on the flat bit before the next large set comes. Take your time to study it, there's no race, because you want to get out there and stay as dry as you can, because you're going to be sitting in the wet otherwise for ages. Let's go. Paddle!